Pagka ganon, there's something terribly wrong. And as a matter of fact, I would say, kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation. Kung nasa batas na yan, lumabas na yan ng blanco-blanco, either it could be filled up before or after sa Congress, pagka ganon, what must be submitted is the true and correct figure coming out as prepared by the budget submitted to Congress for appropriation. Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget.
Niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item?
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.
Hindi tama na mag-akusang may blank check na binigay ang Kongreso. Mali yun. Kasinungalingan yun at hindi totoo yun.
Ang sinasabi lang naman natin is wala pong problema sa ating 2025 GAA. Legal siya. It is legal. It is fully enforceable. It is valid.
Sir, pwede man yun ang comment sa petition ng Supreme Court? At sa petition nila kung ungab sa Supreme Court na...
I'll study it. I'll get back.